Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Since updating on iOS, lot of users are facing battery draining issue. Here I will show you how to fix this issue. You have to turn off and on some features to prevent your iPhone from battery draining. Solution number 1. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth via control center, they won't turn off completely. So turn them off via Settings app. Open Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi and turn it off. Then go back. Tap on Bluetooth and turn it off. Solution number 2. Turn on Reduce White Point. To do this, go to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find Reduce White Point. Then turn on this feature if it's turned off. This always make your iPhone dimmer. Solution number 3. Use dark mode. If you have no problem with dark mode, then switch it from light mode. Using light mode sucks your battery than dark mode. To do this, Settings, go to Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness. Select Dark Mode. Solution number 4. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri. If you don't use Siri frequently, turn off this feature. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on Siri and search. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri. Solution number 5. Turn off Location Services. To do that, open Settings app, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services and turn it off. Solution number 6. Turn off Auto Brightness. When this feature is turned on, it will adjust your screen brightness according to the lighting condition. It may also one of the reasons for battery draining. To turn off this feature, launch Settings app, scroll down, tap on Accessibility. Here, tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down and turn off Auto Brightness. Solution number 7. Turn off Background App Refresh for apps. You can turn off Background App Refresh completely or else turn off for particular apps. To do this, open Settings app, tap on General, tap on Background App Refresh, again tap on Background App Refresh, select Off if you don't want to app refresh in background. You can select according to your need. Then go back. Here turn off apps that you don't want to running in the background. If any apps are running in the background, force close them when you are not using your phone. This was today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like, do like, share and subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.